Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we make science fun and mind-blowing. In today's video, we're going to do a super cool experiment, creating an invisible flame using something you probably have at home. Alright, before we set anything on fire, let's grab our supplies. You'll need a bottle of hand sanitizer. Make sure you check the labels. It should be at least 60%. Next, you'll need matches. This is what we are going to use to light our hand sanitizer. The next, we'll need a non-flammable bowel. It should be either ceramic or glass. Next, you'll also need safety glasses to protect your eyes. And then we'll also need a piece of paper. And then finally, for safety purposes, get a bucket or water close to you in case anything goes wrong. Let's talk safety. Number one, do this experiment from a well-ventilated area, away from anything flammable like curtains or paper. Number two, have an adult supervise if you're under 18. Number three, do not touch the flame or the bowel when it's burning. It's hot. So here is how to create your invisible flame. Step one, take your safety glasses and put it on. Step number two, take the non-flammable dish and add a little amount of the hand sanitizer onto its bottom. Now, and make sure that the hand sanitizer is evenly distributed on the bottom of the dish, just like that. So the next step we are going to do is to get the matches, and we are going to light the hand sanitizer we have here. So there we are. I bet you can hardly see the flames coming, but how can we prove that they are really flames? So you're going to get this and then you try. Wow, so you see that? So our ethanol is burning, but you can hardly see the flames. Now you see when we put the paper close, it caught fire, and here you see the flames finally. You've heard the saying that where there's smoke, there's fire, right? Well, fire is actually not the usual flames you see. It's a chemical reaction between oxygen and a fuel source, in this case, ethanol in our hand sanitizer, releasing heat in the process. So this is soot because this reaction between oxygen and the fuel source in the candle or in the matches produces heat. That heat ends up glowing these soot particles. Now that's what you end up seeing here as flames. We are going to do this one more time in the dark. Get the boil and then add a little amount of the hand sanitizer as prescribed earlier, just like that. And then make sure it's distributed thinly on the bottom of the bowl. Okay, so you'll go ahead and just light it as we did in the first one. You can see that there is a blue light. Now this could not be easily seen when there was light. So why is it that you cannot easily see this flame? Let's break it down. Since ethanol produces little to no soot while burning, yet it is a soot that gets heated up and glows in what we see as flames. That is the reason why ethanol flames are almost invisible. Note that too much sanitizer makes a bigger, more visible flame. So keep it thin to create that invisible effect. And always put safety first. If you've loved this experiment, smash that like button and subscribe for more science adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.